Here we've got a little job to do on the XJR. The door speaker needs replacing because it's blown, it's rattling, so that needs to come off and be changed. Here we've got another replacement door speaker from a breaker car, but these are just Philips branded speakers. They're not the best by now, and I'm probably going to upgrade these to something better at some point down the line. But for now, I've got a cheap replacement there. Also, the speaker grille has got a crack in it as well. Again, good replacement there. So we will change that. The door card is also loose and has been like that since I put up the car, and I haven't really done anything about it yet. So now we'll get this sorted out as well. Put some new clips in there, so just sort of work out how it all comes apart. So first off, there's a little cap in here, which we'll pick that off, and there's also a screw under there, under the door pull. And looking under the door, I think it's just tabs to pull. So with a little pick tool like that, and then we'll just take that out to reveal the screw there. Looks like it's been out a few times, that, going by the state of it. Keep that safe. So we've got a fair bit of noise in the background because there's building work going on up the road, there's also building work going on at mine. But yeah, I've still got some space in my drive to work, so what I'm going to do is try and get this door card off. So you've seen how the well, you've seen where the first screw is and the second screw as well, just under here. What happened by doing that is it's going to take this piece off here, and then the wooden trim will come out as well. Okay, I'll leave that there for now. Well, that screw's not really doing much, it's just still come straight out. I don't know if that is the genuine right one as well, it's massive. So I just slid this piece out, which goes around the door handle. And a piece of wood trim. And then you can just lift the door card up and over. And you can see it has this rubber strip as well, just sits on there. Hopefully you can see if I turn it around here where things are connected. We've got a puddle light down here, door switch, and the door speaker, which is what I'm going to take out. This yellow Ford connector here, you push the little tab down, slide it back, and then it comes out nice and easy. door master switch. If that slides out, we can put it back in. And that down there is for puddle light, but that doesn't need to come out, so I'm going to leave that attached so I have enough on the cable. There's our old door speaker out. And while I'm here, I'm going to try and pop out the speaker grill as well. Actually, just moving the puddle light there, it's just got a little metal tab on it. Squeeze it down to release it. Take that out. We've got the door card to ourselves now. Now the speaker itself has got these little tiny tabs in it. If I put a flat blade screwdriver in there, I can just prise that out. Like so. So, 2 speakers there, that one damaged, that one's nice. So I took out the door switch pack. I've actually replaced it with another identical unit which I've just cleaned up. Reason being, my door mirrors are very hard to adjust, so I changed the switch pack in case the switch pack is the problem, but I'm more than likely certain it's going to be a problem with the motors in the mirrors, because this car has got powerful mirrors, but the gears on the mirrors seem to disintegrate and fall apart. So not expecting that to make a difference. This one also hopefully might have some working bulbs. However, you turn it over, you can get to the bulbs and change them. But that shows you how you change the switch back there. And yeah, we're going to put that back in now. There's just 2 screws there, tiny little screws, don't lose them because they are tiny, that hold the switch back to the rest of the trim. So now we're going to put that back in the door card, and then 2 screws will hold that in place inside the door card. just going to plug everything back in. I've just put the door puddle light back in that just pushes straight in, and then the yellow clip for the door switch pack, and then plug the speaker in. So that should be nice and easy. And then it's just getting the door card in again. I'm going to need to order some new door card clips. I thought I had some, but a few of them are broken, so I'm going to order some new ones, and yeah, that should keep the door card nice and secure then. And I've just got to get the door card wiggled in and over this thing here. The big yellow Ford clip push in, and then you push the black clip back like that. That holds it in, and that's the speaker. Not to forget our weather strip. There we go. Okay, and then you hear that sort of metal noise, which is the metal tangles on top of the door there, and the rest should push in. He says his bits come flying out. I'll deal with that later. And that puddle light wire should really be tucked away somewhere, not where it is. We'll see if this big screw goes in. There would be some plastic trims like that. So if we just push this on, that goes on there nice and neat. So I've just tried that with my tunes, and that speaker's no longer rattling like it was before. And the nice new grille there looks much better than that one that had a split in it, so that looks good. Switchpack works. Oh, hello. Well, that's just that mirror. What about this one? Oh, look at that. I can adjust the mirrors. So the switchpack was the problem. That works really well. What happens if we do this? Well, that one's folded in, but that one is having a mare. Look at it. So yeah, changing the switchback did fix the issue there. Good job. Happy days. So I've ordered some door card clips, and that will finish that job off. Oh. And just pop that back in as well. There you go. How to take a door card off, how to change a speaker, how to change a speaker grill, how to change a door switchback. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching Ed Turner's Garage. Bye bye.